Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol POTN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Done this analysis, I know for sure on Friday. I think I did it several times last week, but regardless, that is where these red and green line annotations are coming from. And after today's price movement, the chart definitely gets a little bit trickier to talk about from a presentation standpoint because there's a lot of perspective, out there. What do I mean by perspective? Well, if you're some sort of day trader flipper and you bought, right around these areas and you wanted to sell within 10 minutes after buying, well then yeah, from that perspective, the chart's looking pretty rough. Now, if you care about the bigger picture, then yeah, I get it. The price has pulled back. But from the grand scheme of it all, the price does still have an opportunity to build a higher low. And as long as higher lows are being put into play over time, then that's how long-term uptrends are constructed. So I'm going to be talking about things from a big picture perspective. So if I sound crazy calling something bullish, my guess would be you probably had more of a day trader type perspective, more of a flippers type perspective going into the trade. And the reason that everything I would still say is still perfectly fine from the bullish point of view, and I'm going to adjust this level of support, is right around 12.5 cents. Now, I'm not saying the price is going to go back down there, but it's already done a good job of hovering right around here. So let's say it goes back to 12.5 cents a little bit more, behaves in that manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. Now, emphasis on big picture. From the big picture perspective, what do you have? Well, you have a set of lows right here. You have some lows right there. You have these lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have overall stair steps still very clearly making progress in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. Again, I'm well aware that if you're some sort of day trader, flipper, and you bought up around here, then yeah, you don't care about these stair steps. But that's why I try to offer up a warning that I'd be talking about things from more so a grand scheme type perspective. So sure, today the price pulled back, but stop and think about that word, today, as in 1 day. Looking at multiple days, which is what we're doing here, you can see the price still has plenty of opportunity to build a higher low. So that's definitely going to be priority number one for the bulls this week, is just chipping away and building a higher base. So let's see if the price can get that job done or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.